This short film is an overview of the legal status of organisations and the charity structures which exist. An organisation can be incorporated or unincorporated. Examples of incorporated organisations are companies limited by guarantee, community interest companies, industrial and provident societies, community benefit societies, and charitable incorporated organisations. They have a legal identity of their own. They can act as a single entity, so can own property, enter into contracts, and employ people in the company name, and directors run the company. Examples of unincorporated organisations are associations or trusts, and these are a collection of individuals and cannot own property or employ people in the name of the association or the trust. Any contract would have to be in the name of a trustee or an individual. The charity status of an organisation is separate from its legal status and refers to whether the organisation is a registered charity or not. Two tests apply: that it operates exclusively for charitable purposes and operates for public benefit. The charity status is something additional to your existing legal structure. There are 4 types of charity structure: a charitable trust, unincorporated association, company limited by guarantee, and charitable incorporated organisation. A charitable trust has a constituted document called a trust deed or a declaration of trust, and is suitable if you don't employ staff, you don't have a membership, and you do have substantial assets. Here are some of the advantages of a charitable trust. And disadvantages. Unincorporated associations have a set of rules or a constitution and are suitable if you don't own significant property, you don't employ staff, and you have a fairly secure income and you wish to have members. Here are some of the advantages of an unincorporated association. And the disadvantages. Company limited by guarantee has a governing document called Memorandum and Articles, or just articles if it's a newer organisation. It's suitable if you want to employ staff, you want to own property, you want to enter into contracts, and you want protection from personal liability. Here are the advantages of a company limited by guarantee and disadvantages. Charitable incorporated organisations are a relatively new structure set up in 2006. There are 2 models, a foundation model and an association model. The advantages of a CIO are here. And the disadvantages. Other structures do exist, such as community interest company, community benefit society, community amateur sports club, and cooperatives. And just briefly, a little bit about each one. Community interest companies are a social enterprise working for the benefit of the community. They cannot be a charity, and they can employ staff and enter into contracts. Assets are protected for the community, called an asset lock, and they are registered with Companies House. Community benefit societies are run for the benefit of the community at large, has an overarching community purpose, can pay interest on members' share capital, but cannot distribute surpluses to members, and they can opt to have a statutory asset lock. Community amateur sports clubs are open to sports clubs who are not a charity. To benefit, they must register with HMRC, and they can claim tax relief and gift aid on donations, and they must have a membership. Cooperatives are run for the mutual benefit of members who use its services. Membership is open to all who meet the criteria, and they are regulated by the FCA. Co-ops can pay a dividend on member share capital, and surpluses can be paid to the members based on their level of transactions with the cooperative. For further information about any of this, contact PAVO on 01597 822 191 or email us at info@pavo.org.uk. Our website is pavo.org.uk. Thank you.